So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to draw a tiger. Now we'll start our drawing with the help of a rough sketch by sketching some guidelines. Starting from the top and extending it to the bottom. And one more line from the center of the page. And then we'll mark some lines here like this. We'll draw a circle here for the face, and we'll take this circle's half, and with these line we will make the face. This is the nose, now we make the rest part of the body. Now we'll erase the guidelines presented in the drawing. Now we'll make the second level sketch for final level detailing in our drawing. Starting from the eyes. Now we'll make a few strips on the whole body of the tiger. And then we'll erase the whole sketch with a little mark. Now we'll make the final level sketched or second level detailed drawing. I'm starting from the eyes. Now we'll make the strips on the body. I'm starting from the face. And then we'll erase the whole sketch again with little line. Now let's do pencil shading procedure in this drawing. I'm starting from the eyes, and along with that I will also start some strips around it. tiger's body. The background is additional, but if you want to make your drawing more beautiful, you can make it. This will make your drawing more nice. And with my scientific primitive of a tiger, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you really enjoyed, leave a like and also subscribe to enjoy more lessons like this. I'll meet you in the next video. Wait for the next one. Till then,